Namaskar, welcome to weekly weather discussion. Today is 10th July, and if we see summary of last week, so second consecutive week of excess to large excess rainfall activity over most meteorological subdivisions of central and adjoining northwest India, with weekly cumulative rainfall departure exceeding 100% for East Madhya Pradesh, for example 199%, Saurashtra Kutch 150%, Vidarbha 130%, West Rajasthan 106%, and Chhattisgarh 100%. So these are the pockets where rainfall was above normal. And overall, we can say that all India weekly cumulative rainfall in percentage departure from the long period average was 26%. And this was because of formation of a low pressure area over Gangetic West Bengal, and the monsoon trough was active and near its normal position during most days of the week. East-west trough was there from northeast Arabian Sea to Gangetic West Bengal in middle to upper tropical levels during most days of the week, and formation of low area on 6th over Gangetic West Bengal and its persistence over the region till 9th of July. So that was the region that central India and adjoining northwest India received very good amount of rainfall during last week. If we see the significant weather events during last week, so heavy to very rainfall with extremely heavy rainfall was reported over East Rajasthan on 3rd and 6th July, West Rajasthan, Gujarat region, Konkan and Goa, coastal Karnataka on 3rd July, East Madhya Pradesh on 5th and 7th to 9th July, Odisha on 6th July, Chhattisgarh on 7th July, West Madhya Pradesh on 8th July, Vidarbha on 8th and 9th, and Tripura on 9th July. With significant amounts on 3rd was reported in Badgam in Gujarat region 27 centimeter, and on 4th July it is over East Madhya Pradesh 19 centimeter, in East Madhya Pradesh on 5th of July Riti 23 centimeter, Odisha on 6th of July 548 millimeter over Mahulpali, and followed by Devgaon 31 centimeter in Odisha, and Chhattisgarh 26 centimeter in Pali on 7th of July. On 8th July East Madhya Pradesh this was 35 centimeter, and on 9th of July Tripura reported 33 centimeter. So that was the significant extremely heavy rainfall. And if we see the weekly rainfall during 3rd to 9th July, so it was 26% above normal, and it was excess to large excess over most of the subdivisions of central India, adjoining northwest India and Gujarat state. And if we see season wise, it is 15% above normal, and it is clear that from East Rajasthan, West Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, and Jharkhand, Gange, West Bengal, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, and Madhya Maharashtra and Gujarat, where the rainfall is access to large axis, and also over Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Punjab, Haryana, and West Uttar Pradesh, where it was access to large axis. And if we see the forecast for week 1, so in morning also we have discussed already for next 7 days. The summary is that very heavy rainfall likely over Himachal Pradesh, Jammu, Punjab, Haryana, West Uttar Pradesh on 10th, Uttarakhand on 13th, West Rajasthan on 14th, and East Rajasthan during 11th to 14th July. And isolated heavy rainfall also likely to continue over Madhya Pradesh during most days of the week during next 1 week, and Vidarbha during 10th to 13th, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand during 10th to 14th, Himalayan West Bengal 13th to 16th, Gangetic West Bengal on 14th, Odisha on 10th, and during 13th to 15th July, with very heavy rainfall over East Madhya Pradesh during 10th to 12th, and West Madhya Pradesh during 11th to 14th July. And heavy rainfall also likely over Konkan Goa on 13th and 14th, Gujarat during 12th to 16th, Ghat areas of Madhya Maharashtra on 10th, 13th and 14th, Saurashtra and Kutch on 13th, and isolated heavy rainfall likely over Mizoram and Tripura on 10th, that is today, during 13th to 16th, Arunachal Pradesh during 11th to 16th, and Assam Meghalaya during 12th to 16th, and isolated heavy rainfall likely over coastal Karnataka on 10th and Kerala on 10th and 12th to 16th. And if we see the forecast for week 2, that is 17th to 23rd July, so monsoon trough is likely to be north of its normal position during first half of the week and shift gradually towards its normal position thereafter. There may be a feeble offshore trough along the west coast during some days of the week. As a result, fairly widespread to widespread rainfall with isolated heavy rainfall likely over many parts of northwest India, with isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall over central India during many days of the week, and fairly widespread to widespread rainfall with isolated heavy heavy rainfall likely along the west coast during most days of the week. And if you see the activity overall, so near normal to abnormal rainfall activity likely over central India and parts of northwest India and Gujarat during week 1, and near normal to abnormal likely over central India, near normal over most parts of northwest and southwest India, and below normal likely over most parts of the east and northeast India during week 2. And if they see the temperature scenario, so it is likely to be above normal by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius over many parts of Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and northeast India, and at isolated pockets over north coastal Andhra Pradesh, coastal Tamil Nadu, interior Karnataka, and these are likely to below normal or near normal over rest parts of the country. If we see the week 2 activity in connection with the maximum temperature, so these are likely to be above normal by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius over many parts of east and northeast India and Uttar Pradesh, and these are likely to below normal or near normal over rest parts of the country. What we have shown here. This is for cyclogenesis forecast for next 2 weeks. So there is no probability of any formation of cyclogenesis, that is depression or above. However, the existing low pressure area will persist over South Jharkhand during next 24 hours, and associated upper air cyclone circulation likely to persist for subsequent 2 days, and there is a likelihood of formation of another upper air cyclone circulation over North Bay of Bengal and adjoining coastal West Bengal and Bangladesh around 18th July, and it is likely to move slowly west northwest parts across Gangetic West Bengal, North Odisha and adjoining Jharkhand and South Chhattisgarh during subsequent 2-3 days. However, there is no likelihood of its further intensification. So this is the update. Namaskar, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.